How to fix mouse cursor won't move to the second monitor. Here are some things you can try to get your mouse cursor to move over to a second monitor. Check that both monitors are detected in your operating system's display settings and set to extend mode rather than duplicate. Try unplugging the second monitor and plugging it back in. This may cause the system to redetect it. Make sure the resolution and refresh rates match on both monitors. A mismatch can confuse the mouse cursor. Adjust the alignment/position of the second monitor in the display settings so it lines up correctly with the edges of the main monitor. Check for any cable snagging or tight cables that could cause mouse movement issues between the monitors. Try a different mouse or mouse cable to rule out a device failure. Update graphics card drivers and mouse/input drivers in case it's a software/driver issue. Restart the computer to clear any software glitches. As a last resort, try resetting or re-registering mouse/input services using elevated commands in command prompt. If nothing works, there may be an underlying hardware or connectivity issue, so check the monitor ports, cables, and connections to troubleshoot further.